All right, this is the Blessed Man, and in this very short video, I want to show you one more time how to create your magnet wallet with Trust Wallet. I'm going to use Trust Wallet here as an example. So when you come to your phone, make sure you have already downloaded your Trust Wallet. If you have not downloaded your Trust Wallet, just go to Play Store and then click on Search, then click on Trust Wallet. You will be able to download Trust Wallet here. So my own is saying update here, so I'm going to update it. Your own will be saying installed. So when you click on installed, it's going to install your Trust Wallet onto your phone. So I'm going to pause this video the moment it's done with updating, and then we'll continue. Okay, now it has finished updating, so I'll just click on open and then I'll enter my password. If you are creating a new one, just choose 6 letters that you can use as your password. So now I am here. What I need to do right now is to simply click on, you are going to be seeing a main wallet here. Okay, you'll be seeing main wallet, so all you need to do is to click on it. Click on main wallet, and then the next step is for you to click on this plus sign here. You click on the plus sign and then you click on create new wallet. See create new wallet here, you click on it. Then you need to choose between these. Just select secret phrase. Okay, select secret phrase and then click on create. Right, when you click on create, okay, now they created the wallet immediately instead of taking me through the process of copying my 12 secret phrase. I think this is in the updated Trust Wallet. Okay, so but what you need to do, don't just stop at this place because you have created your wallet. You need to go and back up your 12 secret phrase. So what you do right now is to come here and then click on this place. Click on this first of all to change the name. So I will click on it, on this wallet, then click on these 3 dots beside this wallet. You will see the list of the wallet you have here, but this is the one I just created. So click on these 3 dots here. Click on these 3 dots, and then I put my hands here to change. I will say my magnet wallet 3. Okay, my magnet wallet 3. I'll just come here and then I'll click on this plus sign. I'll just hold. Okay, so now what you do is after you have done that, you click on this plus sign here, you click on it, then the name has been changed. So to get your 12 secret phrase, click on it again, just go ahead and you click on it. All right, click on it again, and then when it opens, click on these 3 dots again, and then you will see manual backup. Click on manual backup. All right, click on manual backup. So when you click on it, it is going to ask you to select these things. Just select 2 of them, select it, just click on them like this, and then click on continue. So now I know you are not seeing my screen, but you are going to see the 12 secret phrase. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and come back after I have copied my 12 secret phrase. So after you have copied your 12 secret phrase down somewhere and back it up, save it, please copy it and write it on your diary. Make sure you back up somewhere else. Make sure this your 12 secret phrase is in 2 places so that even if you lose one, you will be able to get it. So you just click on continue, and then they will ask you to confirm it. What is number 1? You click on it. What is number 4? According to how you write it down, you click on it. What is number 7? Number 7, you click on number 7. Then what is number 10? You click on what is number 10, then click confirm. So the moment you click on confirm, you can see that your manual backup is now active. Okay, you can actually back up on Google Drive if you want. All right, so let me just go back. See, so my wallet has been created right now. You can see that this wallet is very empty. The next thing you are going to do is to come here and activate the coins. Come here and click on this sign. When I click here, I can go and turn on Bitcoin. Anything I turn on will show in that dashboard. Okay. Then another coin I'm going to turn on is Polygon. All right, this is Poly. I turn on Polygon here. Just click on it and then I turn it on. All right, so another coin I need to turn on is USDT. So what I need to do to be fast in this, what I need to do to be fast is I need to click here, click on all network and select it. So select all network, then change it to Polygon so that whatever thing you are searching will be coins that are on Polygon. So I'll just come to search here and I type USDT. All right, so once I type USDT, I will hold on. Okay, so USDT, let me search again. USDT. Okay, now you can see the USDT come out. Make sure you choose this particular one, USDT, Theta USDT. Okay, just turn it on. Then let me search for DAI stablecoin and see if we're going to see it. DAI stablecoin. You can see DAI under Polygon. Okay, DAI under Polygon. You just turn it on. But if you did not see DAI, let me just come, click on it and turn on. But assuming you search here and you are not seeing DAI, what you could do is to come back here, click on that place again, then go to Google, all right? So go to Google and type DAI contract address, or you just type DAI stablecoin contract address. Search it on Google. It's going to bring you to this particular website, this Polygon website. Click on that Polygon website and then this is wasting my time. Let me go back to Google and then I'll search again. So just search DAI stable coin contract address. So I'll just search on it. Most likely the first one you are going to see is this polygon.com or polyscan.com. Just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring out the website for you. My network is really a bit bad. So let's wait for it. Now this is the contract address here. Let's wait for it to load well. Let's wait for it to load. Now that you have seen it, this is where you are going to click to copy that contract address. So copy it here, copy it, and then go back to your Trust Wallets. Then in this Trust Wallet here, what you need to remember that you are going to do this assuming you didn't see DAI when you search for it. So what you now do is that when you come here, you click on this plus sign here. So click on plus sign, then on this Ethereum, click on it and change the network. Change the network to Polygon, select Polygon. This is Polygon here. I'm showing you everything step by step. Select Polygon. Once you select Polygon, then click your hand on paste. Once you click your hand here on this paste, that thing you copied on Google will be pasted here. And it will just bring out this name for you. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to click on import. So once you click on import, that DAI will now show on your Trust wallet. Okay, so that is how to do it. But if you searched and you saw DAI in your account, there is no need to go to Google. So now this is the wallet that I have created, and is a clean wallet, my magnet wallet. Okay, look at what I named it, my magnet wallet 3. Look at it here. So now I have these coins activated. Polygon is where you're going to send your gas fee. DAI is what you're going to use for magnet registration, and then USDT is what you're going to use to receive money from either your Bybit or anybody that is sending you dollar. Okay, what you need to do is to come here and click on USDT here. When you click on USDT, you click on receive. Click on receive. So once you click on receive, you click here to copy the address, copy it, and then send it to the person that will send you dollar. The moment you receive the dollar, the next thing is for you to now swap that dollar to DAI and then Polygon. Okay, so you just come here. By the time you have received the dollar on your USDT, you click on swap. So when you click on swap, let's wait for it to load. So now you are swapping from USDT now here, from USDT to Polygon. Let's say you want to swap to Polygon. So you remember that this place you are going to see, swap again. This place you are going to see how much you have in this account. Then how much do you want to swap here? So you come here and say, let's say you want to enter just one DAI, one USDT. It will show you how many Polygon is going to give to you. Okay, so you can see it now. But you know, I have insufficient USDT balance because there is no money inside this. But if you have money, just send one USDT and convert it to Polygon. Then you are done. You click on confirm, put your password, and it will go. After that, you go again, click on swap again. This time around, you are going to click here to select DAI. Okay, so you just come here, click here, and then search for DAI. Search for DAI. You can see DAI stablecoin here. Just click on it, and then you now convert, assuming you want to do level 1 to 3 in magnet. You know you need 35 DAI to do it. You just enter how many USDT that you want to give you DAI. Okay, so let's look at what it is going to show. You see that it is showing 34.9. So it means that you're going to send 36 DAI to make sure that it completes exactly 35 DAI. Okay, don't make mistake, because if you fund this with less amount, the system will not pick it automatically on the day of the launch. So make sure that you put the exact amount of DAI in your account, and then also in Polygon. So once you have done this, you click on confirm, sign, and then you are done. So that is how to get ready for magnet with your wallet. So thank you guys. Because this video is large, I'm going to put it on my YouTube, and then all you need to do is to watch it and follow through. You'll be able to know how to do this exactly. Thank you.